Hello, welcome in this video as we are going to learn about React.js here in this series. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your environment for the React development. First of all, you have to download any code editor or text editor as I'm going to use VS Code. Just search for VS Code and go to this download section for this website. And here are couple of operating systems installer file available. As I'm using Windows, I'm going to hit here and my file is going to be started downloading right here. As it's complete, we will come back on this file. And the second tool we require for this React development environment, we have to download Node.js. Just search for Node.js and here the website come nodejs.org. You just have to hit enter into this website, and it's also support many of the operating systems. Is I'm using Windows, I'm going to download this 46-bit MSI Microsoft installer. Just click here and your installer file will be automatically started downloading right here. As my VS Code is completed downloading, I'm going to open this up. Just accept this agreement and you don't have any option to go with this. Leave this as default, hit enter, and it will start installing the process. The installation of VS Code is completed. Just okay, keep this marked as you will see how the Visual Code Studio looks like. Here is this guy known as VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So this is going to be used for the text editing or coding purpose. And let's try to install the second tool, Node.js. Just click on next, accept the agreement, click on next. This is the path where this tool is going to be installed. Keep everything as default. And it's now installing. Once it's completed, I will come back. Here the installation of Node.js finished, and just hit the finish button. And for verification of Node.js, just open up your command prompt or terminal and hit enter for node-v. Here this version 14.1.6.1. This is the latest version and we have just installed the recommended version, which is 14.16.1. Here this is the recommended version which we have installed, 14.6.1. And for the npm version this must be 6.14.12. And here it is. so it's okay. And our node.js is successfully installed, and you have also seen the VS code is also installed. See you guys in my next video.